small items to smash here. No one's gonna watch these videos anyway, but next up is 3 small floppy disks, or diskettis, whatever you want to call them. Got the fancy green one by Fujifilm, this black one that's unbranded, and then this blue one I think is by IBM, I don't even know. See if they really are floppy. Nope. There it is. There's the floppy part of the floppy disk. Cheap crap. Oh, this unbranded one. And peel off its protective layer, and then should be good to go, right? Oh, look at that. So cheap. Bet that could hold all the media. This fancy green one. Wow, that was even cheaper. Fujifilm 2 HD. Gonna make the plastic worth anything? Oh, it's the shatter plastic. Wish all of them were like this. Oh, it's the end of that.